Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another unboxing. I know recently you have been seeing a lot of unboxing on this channel, so I'm going to slow down a little bit later on because I'm going to move, and since I'm moving, I don't think I can order bags because the shipping would be so unpredictable, and I don't want it to ship to my current place while I'm already moved to Pennsylvania. So later on, I probably will do more comparison video, or if you have something you want me to do, you have any question regarding certain bags and what fits, and if you want me to do a detailed review on certain bags, let me know. Today's box came from Saks Fifth Avenue. Let's open it up. This is how it came in. And here is the bag. Let me put away the box. So based on the title and description, you probably know this is one of the Marc Jacobs tote bag. I know I have been getting a lot of Marc Jacobs tote bags, but I actually have more Coach bags, I believe. Here you go. So they call this Marc Jacobs Summer Traveler's Tote, and it's supposed to be this canvas. I think it feels more like a jacquard fabric. It has this like kind of the weaving of the fabric is kind of the thicker texture, and the thread they use are all kind of, the fabric has this slightly textured surface instead of very fine canvas fabric. This is the back of it as usual. So on the website, it said the size of this tote is 16 by 12 by 6. Looking at it, I'm not sure this is 16 inches. I suspect I'll have to find a measuring tape to measure it. But this tote does come with the leather trimming. It's kind of a nice touch for their canvas version of, with the fabric, and I really like the mixed material design. And also for people who don't like the label of the tote bags so loud on the back, I think this one is a good option. It's embroidery with this kind of a milky white, I would say really light off-white color, so it's not as obvious or not as loud if you don't like that kind of effect. The color of this bag, they call it natural. So I believe either Saks Fifth Avenue sent me a wrong bag, or they mislabeled the information on their website. Again, this is the second time I bought a Marc Jacobs bag that the information is wrong. Like on the website, it said the width supposed to be 16 inches, but I have measured it. It's 13 at best. This is basically their small size totes. It's basically their small size tote and not a different version of it. I have another small size tote here for comparison. Yes, once I look at it, I knew the information is wrong, because on the website I already checked the information when I order it. It should be closer to the larger size tote. So this is kind of not what I was expecting. Anyway, let's go through this before we continue. So as usual, Marc Jacob always have this good quality crossbody strap that come with the bag. Let's see. And it's pretty standard inside. It has this zipper pocket and 2 slip pockets. This is disappointing because I was expecting a much bigger tote, because it say they call it summer traveler tote, and based on the measurement it's supposed to be 16 inches, but this is just their typical small size tote. That's kind of what I'm frustrated with Saks Fifth Avenue. They often mislabel and providing wrong information with the bag they sell. I don't know, I'm kind of debating because I don't know that if I need another small size Marc Jacob tote bag. I mean, I do not have any of their canvas tote yet, so it's likely I'll keep it. I have their denim one, the leather one, the polyester felt ones, and this one is would be my first canvas tote from them. But it's kind of give you this weird feeling when they give you wrong, misleading information. So this is as real as it gets, I guess. When it comes to my unboxing, you know, it's my real reaction, and you know, I expressing my feeling directly on my video, and no, I'm not happy with this because I was expecting a bigger bag. Even though this is a bag with leather details, but the price is higher than their typical regular canvas tote. Let me know what you think. Should I keep this one or should I return it? I don't really like to do return. I rarely return my bags. So I do think the bag is very versatile with the kind of a natural color with it. It probably will go with most outfits, as most of my clothing are in monochromatic colors. So I think this will work well. I just caught it by surprise with the price differences and the misleading information. I'm going to stop here and process this surprise, I guess. And thanks again and watching my unboxing video. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.